Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So in today's video, we will be doing another skincare video, but this is not my typical skincare video. In this video, I'll be talking about why it is important for us to not be using regular bath facial towels when it comes to doing our skincare routines, and actually talking about this new brand that I actually started using a couple of weeks ago called the Clean Skin face towels, y'all. Bomb. Okay, but before we even get started to this good old video, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that red button down below, join the TAM KAM fam, and let's get started into this good old video. In today's video, I'll be talking about this new brand, these new products that actually included or added into my skincare routine that have boosted it up completely. And this is the Clean Skin Club face towels, y'all. Before we even get started into this good review of these towels, which are bomb, let's go ahead and talk about the reason why we should not use regular face towels when it comes to cleansing our skin. Now, I know when it comes with, doing your skincare routine, especially if you are new with doing skincare routine, or even if you're old with doing skincare routines, sometimes we do not know the ins and the outs, the things not to do and do when it comes to cleansing our skin. Now, I know we all been using face towels for a very long time when it comes to cleansing our skin, but if you think about it, face towels aren't the cleanest of things when it comes to touching your actual skin. Face towels actually sit most of the time in our bathroom, and if you think about it, when we dry our hands on the face towels, we leave them hanging. We want to use them later on throughout the day to clean our skin. After showering, while it's all steamy in here, the face towel is sitting there on the counter or whatever, getting nice and moist, sitting there after your shower. You want to dry your hands later with the face towel, and then at night you want to actually use it on your skin. But let's just go back and backtrack when this towel actually got moist, okay, after the shower. It's just sitting there hanging. Bacteria loves moist areas, okay? Moist, warm areas. So now you have bacteria just growing on your face towel while just sitting there in your bathroom where it loves to harbor and grow. So by the time that it becomes nighttime, when you want to do your nighttime skincare routines and you want to use all your nice fancy products cleansing off your skin, now you want to add this nice dirty towel onto your skin and clean it. Now your face is no longer clean, and then you actually added more dirt onto your skin than actually cleaning it by using this face towel that's been sitting in that bathroom the entire time, just harboring and growing. So a product that I actually do love to use now is the Clean Skin Club face towels. Now let's go ahead and talk about these face towels, because I will go ahead and do a good old demo with these face towels because they are freaking bomb. Clean Skin Club clean towels are 100% biodegradable, ultra soft, and ensures cleanest ending of your skincare routine. Each towel has a texture side and a smooth side. The clean towels are gentle on your skin but are durable enough to use, guaranteed not to tear or shred with sis. You'll see. They're guaranteed to not shred, and they're just as strong when they are wet. They will wipe away any type of dead skin, excess oils, and makeup with ease. And when you are finished, you can toss it away in the trash, recycle, or even compost them. So as we see, I have makeup on my face. So obviously, I'm going to show you guys how I actually use these skincare towels. Yeah, y'all love these. Y'all do love these towels. By the end of this demo, I actually do have a code. I actually just joined their ambassador program because I was like, first of all, I love these damn towels, so why not? But I have a code for 20% off. That's the biggest code I've ever had. 20% off by using the code TAM KAM. So let's get started, okay? So the first thing that you always want to do when it comes to doing a skincare routine, like I always say, is to always wash your hands, because your hands is the most dirtiest thing that you got going on your body. Wash your hands before you do any type of skincare routine, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is actually, well, the second thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and pin up my hair to just move this out of the way. So now that my hair is all out of the way, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out one of these skincare towels. Now this is the box that I have. This is the size X large. Now one thing that I do love with Clean Skin, I mean, they do mention at the fact that nothing in the world is going to be 100% germ free, including these, but they're definitely cleaner than your towels. I do have the size X large with these skin towels, and they also have a regular size one, but I love the X large one because you can actually cut these bad boys in half if you wanted to. and have double the amount. So this is how big they are. This is the soft side, this is the texture side. With the texture side, I'm actually going to be using when it comes to cleansing my skin. So the way that I love to use a Clean Skin Club face towels is I just love to just run it over some warm water and add one of my favorite cleansers, which this is the First Aid face cleanser. I love that this is day. Lather up a little bit onto the towel and then just go ahead and rub it into my skin, removing all of this makeup off of my skin. Okay. I really love these towels because it is super duper gentle on the skin. It's not rough at all. Even with the using the texture side, it's not that texture to where it's like abrasive on the skin. So it's very, very gentle and pretty much good for all skin types. So after I'm done with that, this is what my towel is looking like with all of the makeup on here. Now let me show you guys how this towel will look after me just rinsing it off. It amazed me so much when I first used this towel, okay? Because first of all, this is a very durable towel. It's not going to go anywhere with you pulling at all, even when it's wet. So let me show you guys how easy the makeup just rinses off of this bad boy. You would think this is a regular towel. I mean, even a regular towel don't even take off makeup like this, but let me show you guys. Y'all, look at this towel. This towel pretty much look brand new, just wet. The makeup just rinsed off of here like no problem, y'all. Like, this is what amazed me like the most. This is insane. So after I'm done rinsing off the towel the first time, I just like to go back to just wipe off, you know, the excess that is there, and then wipe the towel or rinse the towel off a second time. So this is what my towel is looking like after rinsing it off for the second time. And I do have a dry side on here, which is why I do love the X large, because you have a lot to work with. And I just pat my skin dry. So my skin is super duper clean now to continue my skincare routine without using any of those raggedy, dirty towels, face towels that look clean but still not clean, okay? So I am obsessed with these Clean Skin Club face towels, y'all. They are so durable. So like, I need a lot of strength when it comes to ripping these bad boys. It just stretches but it don't rip. Like, the material that is used in this bad boy is insane. Definitely worth it for sure. And with these X large one, they include 50 towels in here, which is amazing because this 50 count only costs $15, y'all. I believe so. I think $15. They also have the regular size one, which I think is $10, but 50 of these for $15 is a good steal, especially because of the size and the quality of these, most definitely. So if you do want to check these out, like I said, I do have a coupon code for these, TAM KAM, to get 20% off. Not 10, not 15, but 20% off, which is bomb. But yes, look at my skin, y'all, nice and clean. A little acne, but it's clean. That's the main important thing. So if you are still using those bathroom face towels, sis and bro, ditch the face towels and definitely try out some Clean Skin Club face towels. They will change your skincare routine 100%. Okay, we're trying to have clean skin, not dirty skin. We are not trying to invest in all of these high-end skincare products and then go back and just wipe our face with a dirty towel. Let's not do that, sis. Bro, put it away, okay? If y'all did enjoy this good overview video, because definitely not a first impressions video on these Clean Skin Club face towels, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up. And if you have not already, sis or bro, go ahead and click the red button down below. Join the TAM KAM fam, and I hope to see you guys in your next upload. Bye, guys.